They are currently working here. There's a site going on. They are currently working in, I think it's judiciary magistrate quarters. So they are trying to, rebuild the building and everything. And I'm currently at the site. Currently assisting my girlfriend to sell food here. You can see our package. So yeah, just pushing it. I love this. I've had experience supervising workers in construction. So I know a lot about what they are doing and the stages that comes after another. So that's it. I'm really blessed to be here. Just take a look. The workers don't like a lot of people taking a video of them, so just made a brief. Have a good one.